Assuming you're searching for the Dogelon Mars coin value expectation or finding the capability of the elon, this value estimate can be useful for you. Our elon coin cost gauge depends on a profound specialized investigation and past execution of the Dogelon Mars. After Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, Dogelon Mars is the third most famous image coin on the lookout. Here we will attempt to examine the capability of Dogelon Mars elon in the long haul. Dogelon Mars coin is one of the most well-known image coins on the lookout, as information was accumulated from the venture's site. The Dogelon Mars elon is a canine-themed image coin in light of Dogecoin, Doge, and Tesla chief Elon Musk. The elon coin has seen broad development in the 2021 bull run. Crypto examiners accept that Dogelon Mars has extraordinary potential for development on the lookout. Because of its Musk association, this coin might see a weighty flood in the impending months. The elon token is based on the Ethereum blockchain, utilizing the ERC20 symbolic norm. According to their tokenomics methodology, half of the underlying inventory of elon was talented to Ethereum maker Vitalik Buterin. As the ubiquity of Elon Musk's Mars undertaking will develop, this image coin may likewise confront a cost flood. The elon people group areas of strength for looks offers enthusiastic help for the token, as we can see that the crypto financial backers have elevated requirements of the Dogelon Mars project. The Dogelon Mars project professes to be a fork of Dogecoin. However, there is not really any proof to help this case. As we found during specialized investigation, Dogelon Mars coin has a lot higher greatest stock and works uniquely in contrast to Doge. According to some crypto specialists, coin consuming is normal in the impending months. Because of an unexpected cost expansion in 2021, the underlying financial backers of Dogelon Mars coin have created a colossal gain. In 2023, all image coins are showing negative development. According to the investigation of late month-to-month information, the elon coin is as yet showing risk outlining portions. The coin could areas of strength for have be that as it may, it doesn't seem to be a productive resource in present moment. Assuming that you need a few decent advantages with this coin, you want to stand by long haul. As we have broke down the costs of Dogelon Mars tokens for the long haul might soar from here on out. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars is recuperating in 2023 from the long negative occasions. According to our elon coin estimate, it can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.00000968 by 2023. The typical cost of the Dogelon Mars coin can be around $0.00000734 this year. Notwithstanding, assuming that there is any negative pattern in the market, the base cost of the Dogelon Mars can be down up to $0.00000576 in 2023. Assuming the market acquires its position this year, the costs of elon coin might flood more than our cost expectation. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2024. According to our cost examination, in 2024 the base cost of Dogelon Mars can be around $0.00000146. Assuming current development proceeds, the most extreme cost of elon coin can be around $0.00000306 this year. The typical exchanging cost of Dogelon coin can be around $0.00000257 in 2024. In any case, on the off chance that there is any great bull run in 2024, the worth of the Dogelon damages coin might ascend a lot higher than our cost forecast. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2025. Dogelon Mars might beat some well-known image coins in 2025. According to our cost examination, in 2025, the elon coin can hit another unsurpassed high. The base cost of a Dogelon Mars coin can be around $0.00000313. In the event that the market proceeds according to our assumption, the Dogelon Mars cost might arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.00000581. The typical cost of elon coin can be around $0.00000419 in 2025 in the event that ongoing development proceeds. Dogelon Mars value forecast 2030. Dogelon Mars coin cost is gauged to arrive at the least conceivable degree of $0.00000495 in 2030. This year can be a changing year for crypto coins, so for the Dogelon Mars, the high symbolic stockpile of Dogelon Mars might in the middle of between these years. According to our Dogelon Mars expectation, their cost could arrive at the greatest conceivable degree of $0.0000731. Notwithstanding, the typical exchanging cost of the Dogelon Mars coin can be around $0.0000641 in 2030. A decent bull rally might build the costs of Dogelon coin a lot higher than our drawn-out Dogelon cost gauge. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2040. For a drawn-out cost conjecture, a profound specialized investigation is fundamental. This year can be a progressive year for the cryptos, as many coins will make another set of experiences. Quite possibly the normal cost of the Dogelon coin will ascend to about $0.00541 by 2040. In any case, the year can end with a most extreme cost of $0.00704 on the off chance that ongoing development proceeds. On the off chance that there is any negative occasion in 2030, the Dogelon Mars can end this year with a base value level of $0.00312. Dogelon Mars Coin Value Forecast 2050. Dogelon Mars Elon coin has extraordinary potential, assuming you will hold it as long as possible. The year 2050 can end with a typical cost of 21 cents, while the base value worth of Elon coin can be around 13 cents. Alongside Dogelon Mars coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around 27 cents. Assuming there is any bull rally in 2050, the costs of Elon coin might soar and outperform our drawn-out Dogelon cost estimate. Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? You can think about putting resources into Dogelon Mars on the off chance that you are searching for a coin to hold in long haul. The Dogelon defaces are projected to contact new highs in the forthcoming years, on the off chance that the market sees some recuperation. As the Elon coin was siphoned after dump commonly before, it can possibly give great returns. Be that as it may, it isn't not difficult to anticipate any crypto cost with 100% precision. After a profound investigation, we can say that Elon coin's worth will grow because of local area speculation and new postings. Yet, kindly remember that there is in every case a gamble to crypto speculations, as image token costs shift their cost course a lot quicker than other altcoins. You want to do your own exploration prior to settling on any speculation choice. Where to purchase Dogelon Mars coin? As one of the moving image tokens in the crypto market, you shouldn't have a lot of trouble in finding a significant crypto trade to purchase Dogelon Mars coin. Today, Dogelon Mars coin can be found on numerous crypto trades, including famous stages like Gemini and Gate.io. There are numerous other crypto trades that have as of late recorded Dogelon Mars coins for exchanging. In the event that you wish to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars are presently Gemini, Bit4x, KuCoin, Uniswap, Bank, OKEx, Crypto.com, Gate.io, QuickSwap, and Poloniex. Some more crypto exchanging stages can list Dogelon Mars tokens for public exchanging. The impending